The use of internet in Malaysia has been growing rapidly. Despite the positive impacts resulting from the use of internet, its excessive usage may also result in negative influences such as internet usage addiction. Internet addiction refers to the excessive and outrageous use of the internet, which eventually result in symptoms of being antisocial, being dishonest, having poor achievement, and lethargy. A survey on broadband subscription in Malaysia has demonstrated a penetration rate of 103.6% per inhabitant and 81.8% per household. With the advancement of internet and technology, the cyber world has embodied a network of virtual communications and connection as a license for people to get connected without restrictions. The internet brings a lot of changes to the society. People are relying too much on the internet due to the simple click of a button, and countless information can be obtained across the globe. In the past, internet addiction has been proven to cause individuals to lose control over their internet usage, which eventually result in psychological, social, school, and work difficulties in their personal life. In a news article BH Online raised a concern on Malaysians' mental health. The news article stated that, admittedly, the increase in cases of mental health problems in Malaysia is to some extent due to social media. Among the many that attack society are depression and confusion. In fact, we are also shocked by the increase in suicide cases. While social media is not the main cause, indirectly it has an impact. People, especially teenagers, tend to compare their lives with what is seen on social media. This comparison will make a person sad and upset, in turn, live a stressful life. Many do not understand about this disease, especially in terms of the term mental health, and it needs to be taken precautionary measures. It is found that from ethical relativism theories, internet addiction cannot be deemed right or wrong due to variations of opinion, cultures, and religions. However, from the perspective of ethical objectivism includes theory like divine common theory, Kantianism, utilitarianism, and social contract theory, it is found that internet addiction is morally unacceptable. Thus, it can be concluded that ethical objectivism theories are workable for judging the morality of internet addiction problems which are found to be morally wrong. Internet surfing time needs to be reduced or limited to remain productive. Too much information causes us to get lost easily. Just as we choose the best food to eat, we also need to make sure the information is good and just necessary to read. Ultimately, each individual bears his own responsibility in ensuring his own well-being. A good and harmonious environment starts from yourself. Make good, because a straw will show which way the wind blows.